We introduced Persalog, a system for content personalization. Sites like CNN and Google offer limited personalization to their feed based on location and other preferences. Only recently have sites like the New York Times begun to offer personalized content. In this sample article, the Times will adjust the visualization and article text based on user location. We can see what happens if we change our location here. Both text and the visualization will adapt. To scale this, we have built Persalog. Persalog takes existing unpersonalized content and provides a number of tools to edit this information. A domain-specific language, also called Persalog, is then compiled and translated into JavaScript code. When a new user accesses this information, we model the user to infer aspects of their personality, and then reconfigure the display to offer a personalized view. Persalog code is a domain-specific language. Various operators segment a viewer based on different properties, and then modify the look of the system. However, we also offer the ability to directly modify content. Here we are creating personalized content by simply selecting the text we want to change, clicking on the Persalog key, and then developing Persalog code. We're going to add some more content here. Based on location, we will change aspects of the visual. Here we're going to switch to a different location to see what it would look like for a different individual. Here's an example science article written for the New York Times. It uses some terms that may be unfamiliar to younger students. Persalog can create different experiences depending on the inferred reading level. So for example, a younger reader would get a very simple explanation and simple image, whereas an older reader would get more details and a more detailed image. Here are the two lines of Persalog that decide which image to show. Here's an example of how interactive visualizations can be controlled with Persalog. We start with a nice interactive visualization which shows movie ratings versus profits. It allows you to explore different genres and to mouse over the movies for additional information. However, it's not personalized. We wrap this visualization in Persalog so that much of the interactions could be automated. For example, if you are a young reader, we might set the display to show you action movies. Versus if you were coming in and were slightly older, you might be interested in biographies. Here's another example from the last election created by The Guardian. It shows different electoral outcomes by state, and mousing over the balloons and the little icons gives you more information. Again, this is not personalized, and by simply adding the wrapper code from Persalog, it is possible to automate this personalization with a few lines of code. So you would see something different if you were coming from Texas, or Florida, or Michigan. Notice again that we haven't broken any of the existing interactions. We've created different test systems to allow developers to test their Persalog code. Here we can segment different individuals represented as points on the map using different features. Colors will change dynamically based on the Persalog code. Here's another testing environment. It allows us to test how Persalog will render text. The developer can see the JavaScript code, find people that match certain criteria, and modify their representation to see how they would render. Thank you for watching. We intend to release Persalog to the public soon.